Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I am Chloe, and here in this space we're not just learning how to twerk, we are remembering how to reconnect with our bodies. And if this sounds like something you wanting to do on the weekly, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any dance tutorials. And before we get started, I think let's take a second to get present. You have earned this moment, honey. So if you're not already, stand up straight. We're going to close down our eyes just for a second. We are going to relax that jaw, drop those shoulders, take a deep breath in, holding at the top, imagining your inner bad bitch activating, and exhaling with a sigh. You are safe, supported, grounded, ready to express yourself in your authentic, juicy energy. All right, shaking it out, shake all the nerves, all the fear, all the bullish. Open your eyes, back to the present. Let's get into the fun stuff. Today we are learning hip ticks, or as they're sometimes commonly known, Tik Toks. And basically we're just moving our hips like a seesaw. Before we get into the tutorial portion of this video, I do encourage you, if you haven't already, to warm up your body. We don't want any injuries. We want you to do your best, no better, no less. Listen to your body. We are working with it, not against it. So if anything feels weird, feel free to pause this video and come back later. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. We're going to work together to get you to be a twerk extraordinaire. So let's get into it. Let's get into what does it actually look like. I'm going to come a little bit closer to the screen so you can see. But what it is we're moving our hips from side to side, yeah? Sometimes you can add a little bit of bounce in there. There are many variations of this move. Today we're going to learn one, which is the seesaw. Actually, let's learn two. Let's also learn our box hip ticks. So coming down, down, up, down, down, up. Let's learn those as well. For this move, we want our feet just outside of hip distance apart, and we want our toes facing forward. And with this, we then want to bring our knee over our toe and then back up, down, up, down, up. I'm going to show you from the side so you can see. Going down, up, down, up, down, up. You can see there's a slight jiggle in the booty already, but we're going to make that bigger. From the back, we're going down, up, down, up, down, up. When we're doing this movement, we don't want our knees going out or in. That's going to hurt. We just want it directly over the toe, right? None of this. None of that. So now we've tried on one leg. Let's try it on the opposite leg. So we're bringing it down, 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 down. Notice how that thigh is jiggling, but nothing up here is moving. This, straight as a board. We're isolating this whole area and we're just pushing it down, 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 down. With this movement here, I do find the more you lean over, the easier it is to kind of push that booty down to the ground. I don't know what science this is. If you know, put it in the comments. Beautiful. If you feel like it, you can also put your hands on your knees and bring it down. Some people actually find this easier. That is the movement. We're going down, down, other leg, down, down, other leg, down, down, other leg, down, down, other leg. So once we have this movement, we then want to accent it. So we want to bring that booty cheek down with a little bit of encouragement, a little bit of force. It's kind of like when you get hit in the back of the knee and you, that's what we want, but we want to make it sexy. So bring it down, yeah? Stopping that energy in the knee, leaving that energy to go up into that booty cheek. I'll show you from the back. So it's like boom, 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 Boom. Nice. So now we can do one on each side. So down and then switch legs. This knee comes back, the other knee comes down. Beautiful. Switching legs, this knee comes back, this one goes down. Boom. So from the back, that looks like down, switch, 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 switch. Looks like a seesaw. Boom. So you can imagine your booty cheeks going, beautiful. That's why it's called a TikTok, because you are tick, tock, tick, tock. Okay. So from there, we're going to go into our booty squares. For this, we're going to do the same hip ticks. We're going to do it down. But this time, instead of just doing one leg, we're doing both, but we're going to do one at a time. So we're going to go one leg down, then the other. Now whatever goes down must come back up. So we're going to bring the knee that we put down first, bring it back, then the other knee, bring it back. And we want it to jiggle every single time. So bringing it down with a little bit of fun. A little bit of encouragement. Use your legs to really push through the floor, then push through the ceiling. So let's look at it from the back. We're bringing one leg down, second leg down. First leg comes back up, second leg comes back up. First leg comes back down, second leg comes back down. Bring it back up, up. Ba, 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 ba. Again, hands can be here, hands can be there, whatever is more comfortable for you. All right, so let's put it through to some music now. If you are new here, you might not know, but the song we're about to twerk to has lyrics that are going to enhance that connection with your body. So if you are new, concentrate on the move. If you're not, I want you to concentrate on the lyrics. Let's go. Bring it down slowly. Other side.
Hips ticking like a Libra scale. Wagging like a puppy's tail. Hips so free, hips so fresh. Root chakra said, girl,
side
say
to side.
Like a seesaw, side to side. Finding balance in my stride. Back and forth, I find my flow. Root to sacral,
Twice on one side.
glow. Hip to the left,
right, yes.
to the right. Everything is feeling light. Loose hips like mine. Leave the heavy stuff behind. Hip to the left, hip to the right. Nobody can do it like you. If it feels good, let it show. Drop it low and
Beautiful. Give it a break. We're gonna go into our booty square. So bring it down.
hips ticking like a Libra scale.
Up.
Wagging like a puppy's tail. Hips
Down,
so free,
down,
hips so fresh. Root chakra said, girl, say
Other
less.
side, bring the opposite
Like a
down.
seesaw, side to side,
down,
finding balance in my stride. Back and forth, I found
Beautiful.
my flow. Root the sacral,
All right,
watch
let's
me
have
glow.
fun with it. Tick, 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 tick. Congratulations, Batty. You did the thing. Celebrate yourself. If you had any major wins, leave it in the comments. We want to celebrate you. This, as a community, we want to celebrate you. We want to build you up. So make sure you put your wins in there. And any questions or concerns or requests. What do you guys want to see next? I'm curious to know. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this twerk tutorial. We'll see you in the next dance tutorial.